guys, Marv.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So today we are going to be making marshmallow fondant.
Let's get to it.
So we said we were going to be making marshmallow fondant in this video, I think our second Christmas video. So here you have it.
Alright, so our first ingredient is 1 cup of marshmallows. We got mini marshmallows here. Then we're gonna add it to this small bowl, I guess pretty small bowl, but not too small. Just add all those in. And then we're gonna go get like about 2 tablespoons of water. You don't actually have to use like a real measuring spoon, but you just do that. There, that's 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds, take it out, mix it around, and then do that until it's fully melted. Okay, so it is fully melted. I took it out for the 3rd time, and now I'm just gonna do a quick mix. So everything is like, there's not clumps of marshmallows, but just there. And then I'm going to go ahead and get 3 cups of icing sugar, and then I'm gonna add that in.
All right, so we're gonna add in 1 cup to start off with into a bowl, and just slowly mix that in until it gets a lot thicker. All right, the 2nd cup, and just keep on mixing that in. All right, I have a silicone mat right here. I'm going to go ahead and dust it with a little bit of icing sugar, just that. It's pretty good. All right, then I'm going to transfer my fondant onto this silicone mat. There you go. So I'm gonna add the remaining 1 cup of icing sugar. And we're just gonna knead this together until it becomes a drier dough. Right now it's a little bit sticky, but eventually it's gonna become super dry. It's exactly what we want.
Okay, so now that the fondant is complete, you can go ahead and roll it out and put it on a cake or a cupcake, or you can put it in a container and store it in a cool or dry place for up to 2 days. But if you want to store it, make sure to add a little bit of olive oil around the fondant so that it doesn't stick to your container. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Make sure to like,
Subscribe,
share this video,
and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos that we post.
make sure to check out our Instagram and our website linked down below.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.